Hey guys, let's talk about how you can control your Fire TV using your phone. So it's pretty simple. Just go to the App Store and download the Fire TV app. Okay, so look for Fire TV app. There we go, Fire TV. And here is the Amazon Fire app. That's the one. Just download it, install it, and you can open. Allow the connection here to your TV. So basically here with the setup, just make sure you're connected to the same network. So come here to your Wi-Fi and check that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi as the TV, right? So I am connected right now to the same Wi-Fi. Then I can just look for my TV. In this case, it finds the TV. Mine is bedroom Fire TV. Then I just click here and it's going to connect, okay? Ask me to input a code. You see back there, there is a code. I just need to insert here. So 3596. It's verifying the pin. And now I already have the remote control ready to work, right? So when I start using here, it works back there. So pretty simple. And you can basically control everything from here. From here, go home. Here you can return. You have access here to the TV menu and settings. So it works pretty fine. Okay, so pretty simple to use like this. You can also check all the apps that you have and even use a keyboard. So you can type here to search something. Pretty easy, okay? So that's the way you can use your phone to control your Fire TV, Amazon TV, Fire Stick, whatever you have there, right? I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next video.